Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let me show you how to make Dalgona Milo without using a mixer. In an empty bowl, add 10 tablespoons of Milo powder. Next, add 5 tablespoons only of sugar. Because we don't want to make our Dalgona too sweet, removing the malt and chocolate flavor of our Milo. Then add 5 tablespoons of hot water, same measurement with our sugar. Mix it well until sugar has completely dissolved. And because we don't have a mixer, we'll add 250 ml of thick cream. You can use any brand of thick cream you want. Whisk until the mixture is smooth and thick. Prepare 5 glasses of ice chunks or cubes, some chocolate syrup, and milk. The syrup adds additional chocolate flavor and color to our glass containers. Lastly, let us add our Milo and cream mixture. Top with chocolate chips and chocolate sprinkles as our final touch. Thank you for watching.